Sheena says these lives are so informational. Oh, you're welcome. Um, Beauty is her name, is cracking up. They said thank you. Sandy says look forward to the next live session. When is it? Sandy, look at the calendar on notaryeducators.com because I don't have it in front of me. But I know we have 5 next month because it's December. But every week, we don't even take a week off for the holidays. We are here every week. Somebody here. It's usually me or Alexis though. And again, we're in the process of actually training people. So yeah, check it out. So I see we got a lot of people for real. I got a few more minutes. If you got a question, go back and watch the beginning. But if you got something live that you want to know right now, let's do it while I'm here because it's the best time to get your answers. And I'll see you too, Sandy. Looking forward to it. Let's go. If you got any questions really quick, this is the best time to get it done. I will come back to the chat, but I don't know when I'm gonna get to the chat. I'll be honest with y'all. But we go live every day. So just about every day. Not the weekends. But sometimes I will. If I'm dressed and I'm feeling good, I got a little burst of energy, I'll hop on the live. No questions? Okay, maybe people are just popping through. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Oh, wait, Beauty is her name says, doing notary work is becoming imperative now, considering everything that's going on. Oh, Beauty is her name. Thank you. I was gonna let Jeffrey go because I know we got to get ready for another appointment. But really quick, really quick. To Beauty is her name. Point. I have been preaching. If you've watched me the last couple months, own your business. If it's not notary, own a lawn care business, own a daycare business, own a mobile eyebrow business, own something. Own something in addition to your regular 9 to 5. I don't know if you've been hearing about me talk about my new thing with Creators Club with Kimmi, where I will be teaching people how to get into this digital world and make money. These children, 5 years old, babies have YouTube channels, and they are making money, okay? So my next venture is to teach you all who are interested how to make digital money, no matter what industry you're in. If you're cutting grass, then you need to have a Google My Business page. Most small business owners don't have a Google page. So I'm going to help you set that up. They need to be on social media. They need to be on Instagram. They need to be on TikTok. All of those things will grow your business if you're an entrepreneur. Now, I already teach these things in our notary side, right? But I'm starting a new venture. And again, you can check out the website and everything. It's not ready, so don't try to buy nothing. But it's Creators Club with Kimmi. All K's. Creators with a K, Club is with a K, and Kimmi's with a K, okay? So check it out, and you can join that channel already. I'm rebranding it. I have not completed, put out a new video yet over there, but it's already a whole bunch of business videos. But the actual rollout is coming soon. I'm waiting on a few more things to get in place. But I'm going to be teaching people, again, Creators Club with Kimmi. And Notary Educators is not going anywhere. But my other passion is business, straight up business. I love helping anybody. I can look at your business in 5 minutes and tell you what you need to do. Notary business, it don't matter what you have. I can teach you in 5 minutes. Look at your business overall and tell you need ABC and help you to grow it if you want to. Now you got to put in the work, but I got you. So it's going to work the same way Notary Educators does. We will have weekly sessions. We have a whole course library. You can go over there and look at the course library now, but it's not available for sale yet. But it's coming soon. Creators Club with Kimmi, because we need a whole second stream of income, y'all. Some of us need to grow what we already have. Others of us don't have nothing but our 9 to 5. And if that 9 to 5 goes away, which we saw what can happen really quick and it's shut down, in 2 seconds, your whole everything is over. Imagine if you are running your business, even part-time, your notary business, just part-time, 1 day a week to have something. And then if your actual 9 to 5 goes away, now we can double back to our notary business and do it full-time. Do it full-time. So the question came up in chat yesterday, our live session rather. The question came up, well, when I'm getting these alerts and notifications from signing companies, do I need to let them know that I cannot take the assignment? No, you do not have to respond. You just don't. But now you're not working. Your 9 to 5 is gone for whatever reason. You got fired, terminated, laid off, or whatever they want to put in there, furloughed. Any of that happened to you. Now you can rely on your notary business and start taking the jobs. They're not going to ask you where you've been at because they already sent it out to other notaries and stuff too. So you don't have to worry and say, well, they're not going to pick me because no, the moment you're ready to work, they're ready to hire you. Okay. So yes, own something, own your own business. If it's not notary, God bless you, whatever it is, but have another stream where you're not completely dependent on someone else. I've always had a little something that I did in addition to my job when I worked at the hospital. We did a daycare. We had a daycare for 4 years. Now, when I did the daycare, I wasn't working anywhere else, but we also did mobile detailing, mobile car detailing. People will pay you for that. I learned just recently, we were at Home Depot and I was doing a mystery shopping, that you can rent, and I didn't know that you can rent a lawnmower. So, for example, just say you don't have a lawnmower and you want to start a lawnmower in business, okay? Then I'm going to teach you how to do that. You can line up 10 appointments, rent a lawnmower for $40. Okay, go to Home Depot, rent it for $40, line up 10 jobs, $60 per job, 6 times. How many jobs did I just say? I forgot. But just say you line up, I don't know, 10 jobs in one day, $60. That's $600, right? That's $600 you pay for the lawnmower that you rented for $40. You done made over $500 in one day. Booyah! So your girl knows business, okay? Your girl knows how to do business. So I'm so excited to roll out Creators Club with Kimmi. I could scream. I'm so excited. If you think I love notary, guys, I love business. So it's a business credit course. It's all kind of stuff over there. So when I roll it out, you guys will be the first to know, and I'll probably give y'all a discount or something. I don't know. That's just what we do. How about that? But anyway, it's not out yet. But for you that are listening to me, have another stream of income. Have something. It could be part-time. Again, it doesn't have to be full-time. It does not. The question is always, I want to do it full-time. Just get your feet wet. And then your full-time, because somebody asked us in our actual chat, we have the 7-day-a-week chat. Somebody asked us the other day, well, how do I know when it's time to go full-time? You will know when it's time. You will know when it's time to go full-time in whatever business you're doing. Will it be enough to cover all of your expenses and your health insurance and all of that? You will know. And right now, for the majority of you, starting out part-time is just going to be a step in the right direction. Okay? For many of you, don't have a second business. And really quick, for those that are here right now, put a 1 in the chat if you actually do have another business. Do you have something else right now? If you're not already doing notary as a side thing, do you all have something else that you're doing? Sandy says, I love that you are full-fledged on chopping her, and you know what we never stop thinking. I didn't get part of that, full-fledged on chopping. You never her, and you know. I didn't quite get all that, Sandy. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Thank you, Lori W. Yeah. Like and subscribe for me. So, but do you see what I'm saying? The majority of you don't have anything else to fall on. And if this shut down here didn't teach you something, a lot of you have skills and talents too, but you just don't know what to do. You have skills and talents. You want to write an ebook. My new thing, Creators Club with Kimmi, covers everything. You want to learn how to write an ebook. You want to know how to do a podcast. Some of you may not want to do YouTube. I will even teach you how to do YouTube. I have a YouTube course. So that's a whole nother topic. But many of you need to be doing YouTube. You got something to talk about. Do you know how to bake chocolate chip cookies better than anybody else? Is everybody always asking about your chocolate chip cookies? Are they always asking about your red velvet cake? Right? Do you know how to cook? Can you show people on YouTube how to cook? So that's what Creators Club with Kimmi is all about. I'm getting ready to take y'all there. Those who want to go on the journey. This is actually a job, guys. So I'm going to wrap up. I meant you are a full-fledged entrepreneur. Oh, thank you, guys. Let me get this call right quick because I think this is actually a client. And I've already been here over time. So I'm going to see y'all soon over in notaryeducators.com, okay? Mentorship, but I got to get this call. Okay.